Hello, I'm Dr. Mike Géniale, cosmetic and laser specialist. Welcome to our educational series. Today is about snoring laser. So, there's many aspects to snoring where the patient can feel that they are snoring and it wakes them up, they choke over their own snoring and with really bad quality sleep and they're very tired next day. But also there are other cases where snoring don't upset the patient but it upsets the partner and they leave the room. So the bedroom is the question asked, and when after the treatment, are you better the bedroom again? So let me explain about the process. The rattling of the air going through the nose or the nostrils and the pharynx, the back of the throat, it's this vibration that gives the loud snoring. And it varies from mild to moderate to epic snoring levels. It can obstruct the throat, it can give you obstructive sleep apnea, and this is why the importance and how essential it is to treat snoring. It's about quality sleep. Snoring laser works by lifting the soft palate, and the soft palate is the soft tissue dangling above your tongue. When this is low, it obstructs and vibrates and gives the snoring. Erbium YAG is what we use. It's a very mild modality of laser that lifts, tones and shrink the tissues. There's no pain during, no pain after, and it simply gives that tone to open the passage of the pharynx at the back. We also laser under the tongue, which is the tongue bed, to get the tongue to go lower and open that space at the back of the throat. It's very well tolerated. As I said, there's no pain during or after. We like to see you 3 times. The first session, 2 sessions, is 2 weeks apart, and the 3rd session is a month later. We would like you to download an app called Snore Lab app. And the Snore Lab app, you simply put your phone next to you at night and it records the episodes of snoring. It will give you a score and it will tell us whether it's mild, moderate or severe and loud snoring. And it's essential for us to monitor it, to see the improvement of the treatment. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you benefited from this episode and looking forward to seeing you in our next educational series. Thank you.